Like, hey, welcome back, everyone. You know what I'm wondering about? Well, I'm kind of like wondering, like, what kind of an animal would you all like to be as? Yeah, I'm wondering about that. Yeah, but if you're like wondering about me, like what type of an animal I would be, well, that's what this video is going to be about. Yes. And also, the animal that I would like to be as is, I would like to be a cat. Yeah. Like a kitty cat. Yeah. I'd be really good at it. Oh, yeah. But I really do hope that a lot of people will love me as a kitty cat. Yeah. I'm wondering, what do